this video is on how to replace the battery in a 4-button Nissan key fob. This key fob is on a 2018 Nissan, but it applies to various models and various years. The first step in this process is to pull that key out, press the little release button, and pull the emergency key out. Use a credit card or a similar type card that has a wide surface to pop this thing open. If you use a screwdriver or a blade, you might damage it. So use something like a credit card that's a lot softer and has a wider surface to help you pry it open. And once you pry it open, you'll see that you really only got half of it open. There's a center section there with the spring right here that you have to be careful of, because if that spring pops out, you will hate your life. So be careful of that spring. Be sure it stays popped in, and use your credit card again and open this center half from the back or from the front. Again, just kind of wedge it in, pry the pieces apart. Once you get it apart, you'll see this is where the battery is. And as soon as you've got this apart, make sure your spring is still in place, and then go ahead and put the back onto the center section. That way you can't lose the spring or accidentally knock it out. It'll be protected from any further motion that you do in the battery replacement process. Now go ahead and pull that battery out. And acquire a new battery. It's a 2032 model battery. You can get that at any hardware store, department store, Walgreens, places like that. There's also a link for that battery in the description if you're interested, from Amazon. Put the battery back in. And pay attention to the orientation of the battery. It has to go back in the same way it came out, positive side down. Once you've got it in place, make sure it's fully seated. Go ahead and realign all the pieces. Make sure the centerpiece of the front and the front shell are all lined up. Snap it together and you're done. Hope that helped somebody. If so, please consider liking and subscribing, and check out some of the other videos on my channel. Thanks.